This morning, when I woke up to check the Cryptowatch homepage to see what was going on in the market, I saw that a few coins were all doing the same thing. We see Filecoin, Basic Attention Token, Decentraland, and Chainlink were all pumping to the moon at the same time. And then the next thing that I saw today was this tweet. Grayscale launches 5 new digital currency investment trusts, and Chainlink is on this list. Congratulations to everybody that's holding Basic Attention Token, Chainlink, Decentraland, Filecoin, LivePeer. It's looking very good for all these coins right now. And looking at Chainlink on the 4-hour chart, we have seen a bit of a reaction up. And looking at Chainlink on the daily chart, we've seen a really steady decline in volume here, and just a lot of sideways action leading up to it. And I think that if Chainlink is able to break this resistance line and get a nice spike in bullish volume, we could end up seeing a breakout that leads to a major move for Chainlink. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the big news that we got for Chainlink and also the price of Chainlink. And before we get started, as always, smash up that like button, subscribe to this channel if you're new, and be sure to sign up with the Cryptowatch platform, which is this platform that you see me use in all my videos. It's free. Click that link below. Man, isn't that just satisfying? Isn't it awesome to see Grayscale Chainlink Trust on the official Grayscale website? I think that's really cool to see. This is something that a lot of people have been waiting for. A lot of people have been speculating that this would happen one day, and it's crazy to see that it is happening. And I love how nice and simple they put it. Grayscale Chainlink Trust, a digital asset token providing reliable data to smart contracts. And as we always say on this channel, Chainlink makes smart contracts smart. Chainlink puts the smart in smart contracts. And all of this got me thinking, this developer wallet that a lot of people have been watching, the one that has been sending 500,000 Chainlink out every week, every single week like clockwork, a lot of people have been speculating that they've been dumping Chainlink on the market. But is it possible now that this was actually a massive transfer into the Grayscale Chainlink Trust? This wallet had millions and millions of Chainlink in it, and now it only has 90,000. And now I'm speculating if this was in fact Grayscale activity. Taking a look at Chainlink on the daily chart, Chainlink has seen some really steady growth since March, since the March crash. And I know a lot of people recently were getting upset that Chainlink's price wasn't going up faster than it was. But here's an interesting fact. From exactly 1 year ago, March 17th, Chainlink is up about 1,400%. And Ethereum is up about 1,400% from the exact same date. So Chainlink and Ethereum are actually experiencing very similar performance. So there's nothing wrong with what Chainlink's been doing. But what's great to see is that that $20 peak has now flipped into support. We actually wicked down, almost touched it directly on February 22nd. And now we're seeing a nice consolidation. And something that's got me kind of excited right now about this is the volume signature, the way that the volume is set up and the way that the market structure is set up. It's kind of telling me that we're set up for a major move, actually. We have a really solid consolidation. We have really good news for Chainlink. We have this bullish pennant here, prices squeezing. And the part that's got me most excited is this really nice decline in volume leading right into the end of this bullish pennant. And looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, if it remains stable, if Bitcoin can remain stable and bounce off of this parabolic trend line that we've been holding on, that we've been above this whole time, then Chainlink may actually have the chance to get a major breakout here to much higher prices. And at this point in time, now that we got the backing of Grayscale with Chainlink and it's all confirmed, I think we're going to be seeing massive moves to the upside for Chainlink. And especially if they implement staking, then my price target of 200 to 500 US dollars could eventually be reached in this bull market. And I'll be honest, I was actually getting a little bit worried about Chainlink. I was thinking, man, I was looking at these developer wallets that were sending so much Chainlink out. The price wasn't doing all too much. And I was like, man, what's going on with Chainlink? But now it all makes sense. Now it all kind of makes sense. And ultimately, all this price action that we're seeing right now is probably going to end up looking very small on the chart later on. And this right here is the weekly chart for Ethereum. What I'm seeing for Chainlink is kind of similar to what we saw for Ethereum down here. So yeah, I think that we could start to see a major parabolic trend form here. And I think we're going to, at the very least, be looking to test 200 US dollars. That's kind of the target that I have in mind as a minimum, potentially as high as 500. Now, you guys know on this channel, I like to stay conservative. You know, you're going to get YouTubers that make videos and they're like, oh my God, you know, Bitcoin's going to 1 million, Chainlink it's going to 10,000, right? They're going to make up these like crazy price predictions. I mean, in between 2 to 500, I think is a great, you know, target to have. And for Ethereum, from that area, from the general consolidation range up to the general peak area, it was about 10,000% up. For Chainlink, from that previous high down here, which is what I think we should be mapping up, the $5 level, 500%, or sorry, 10,000% up would be roughly 500. So I'm thinking anywhere from 2 to 500 seems pretty realistic. In 2017, if the price of Ethereum was at 12 bucks and I said, guys, we're going to be at $1,400 by the end of this run, people would have said, you're crazy. You're crazy. We're trading at $13. How could you possibly expect 1,400? You're just a moon boy, right? That's how it always goes. But crypto always surprises us. Crypto always surprises us. I mean, just look, even just looking at Bitcoin on this daily chart right here. I mean, look at this trend. I don't think anybody expected this, right? When we were sitting at 10,000, I don't think anyone thought we would just go straight to 60K and probably going to continue going higher. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Congrats to everybody that's holding all of the coins that Grayscale has just added to their trust. Probably going to be great for those assets. And I'll see you guys in the next video.